Welcome back to the Car Blitz. If you're a fan of high-performance sedans with everyday usability, you're in for a treat. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2025 BMW M3, a car that refuses to compromise. With enhanced styling, more power, and some serious tech upgrades, BMW's latest M3 is aiming to raise the benchmark yet again. At first glance, the 2025 cubic meters retains the bold and unmistakable presence that the G80 generation introduced. The massive kidney grille, still a hot topic, has been slightly refined for a more cohesive look. Whether you love it or hate it, it's here to stay, and honestly, in person, it works. The front end is sharper, the lines are more muscular, and with the new laser LED headlights, it looks futuristic but aggressive. You've got wider fenders, carbon fiber elements, and a more sculpted rear diffuser, all contributing to a more aerodynamic and purposeful stance. Step inside, and the M3 continues to impress. You're greeted by a high-tech yet sporty interior, anchored by the new BMW Curved Display, a single glass panel housing a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen running BMW's latest iDrive 9 operating system. The display is ultra-responsive, with crisp graphics and customizable layouts. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and the integration with voice controls via the BMW Intelligent Personal Assistant is more fluid than ever. Under the hood, we've got the familiar but enhanced 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged inline-six engine, codenamed S58. In the standard M3, it delivers 473 horsepower and 406 lb-ft of torque. Step up to the competition trim, and you're looking at 503 horsepower. But for 2025, the real headline is the M3 Competition xDrive, which now pushes 525 horsepower and 479 lb-ft. This car is a missile. Thanks to BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, the M3 Competition xDrive rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 3.2 seconds. If you're brave, or lucky enough, to get the 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive model, the experience is rawer, purer, and frankly, more engaging, even if you give up a few tenths on the stopwatch. So what are the key takeaways? The 2025 BMW M3 is the perfect evolution of a legend. It's faster, smarter, more connected, and just as thrilling as ever. Whether you go for the purest manual version or the ballistic xDrive competition trim, you're getting a car that honors its motorsport heritage while embracing modern technology and luxury. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Got questions about the M3? Drop them in the comments below. I'll be replying to as many as I can. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.